Welcome back to our channel, Music Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you as we dive into the fascinating world of AI-generated music. In this video, we'll explore how you can create your very own AI song using two free AI tools that are revolutionizing the music industry. So let's get started. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this.
So our first AI tool is Beatbot. First of all, search Beatbot AI and click, and the first website appears here. Just click on that. It's a beta version, so as of now it's free to use. Then here we have to describe a song. So I'm going to write a sad song for my lover who is no longer with me. Then from here we can choose type of vocals. Then gender like male, female. So let us select female. Then click on generate. So here it is, our song is ready. Now let us add lyrics for this. Click on this generate icon. Then choose sing option from vocal type. And then generate. So here our song is ready with lyrics. Then if you are not satisfied with this, click on retry to generate wonder. Then from here you can also edit lyrics of song. And then click on save. Now to download this, click on this three dot. You can download with video, audio, or only instrumental. And it's downloaded. Now the second one is Mubert AI. For this, first of all search Mubert AI in Google. Then click on the link. Here Mubert AI give us to generate 25 tracks in free. Then click on generate. Then enter your prompt. Or you can also generate with the help this option. Genres, moods, and activities. Then set the duration for your track. And click on generate. So here it is, our music track is ready.
Mubert.
And then download this.
So this is how you can create song using free AI tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. And be sure to like, share and comment to my video. Thank you for watching this video.